Hello, in this video I'll show how to create computational domain using SpaceClaim computational domain and named selection for boundary of the computational domain. Open Workbench. Now click on Fluent with Fluent Meshing. Drag and drop here, and then I need to import the geometry. Right click the geometry, go to import geometry, browse. I have copied this wing IGS file here, and now open. Okay, now again right click on the geometry and open SpaceClaim. SpaceClaim opened. This is my wing, so I need to create the computational domain around this wing now. To do that, I need to create a plane. Click on this plane tool and then click the on uh, the root face of the wing, and then plane is created. To see, yeah, this is my plane. And now click space, click escape, and now I need to draw a rectangle on this plane. Just select this plane and go to rectangle tool. This is the rectangle. Click on this rectangle and then make it normal. Click any point and then drag like this to create the rectangle. Change the dimension. At first I will change the side length of the side along Z. It will be 35 meter, and then for Y direction it will be 20 meter. Click open space to. Okay, now I have the rectangle ready, but I need to move it. So click on this move, select all the faces, all the sides of the rectangle, pressing Ctrl key, and then you have the direction to move it. Now click on the Z direction and move it like this. I think that's good. Okay, now click on this 3D mode to make a plane for the rectangle. Okay, I have the plane ready. Okay, press escape. So I need to create the 3D box now from this plane. To do that, click on this pool. You see the pool tool, so click pool and then click on this plane. That you have the arrow here. Click on this arrow and drag up or upward, and before do that you need to select the no merge option. Click on this no merge. Okay, now here the extrusion length will be 40 meter, and then click open a space to do that. Okay, it is not taken. Okay, let me do it again. Click on this plane and then pull no mars, and then click and drag it upward, and the extrusion length will be 40 meters. Okay, click open space to create the box. Now you can click on this space escape to see how the box look like. Okay, now I can delete the plane from here and see I have two solid here. If I uncheck the solid one, then you can see only the box here without the wing. Now again uncheck the solid box, then you can see this is the wing. Okay, so I need to subtract the wing from the box. To do that, escape to remove everything, and now click on combine, and then uncheck the keep cutter, click a target object. So this is my target object, and now I need to select the cutter. Now this is my cutter, select the cutter. Okay, now click on this open space and escape. Now you can see now the wing is subtracted from the box. To confirm, uncheck this, and this is only my box. You can see the wing is subtracted from the box. Okay, now if we uncheck this one and then see only the wing, yeah, this is my wing, so I can delete the wing now. Delete them. Okay, so this is my computational domain. Now I need to select the name selection. I need to create the name selection for all the faces. So click this face, pressing Ctrl key, this face, and this face. I selected 5 faces so far, and then click on these groups. You see the groups, click on this groups tab, and then click the create name selection. Create NS means create name selection. Create the name selection and then name it far field. Click far field, and then click open space, and then click on this far field, and then right click and hide it. Okay, now I have another faces. I'll name it as symmetry. Click this face, and then again click on create name selection. I will name it symmetry. Okay, click on open space, and then it will take, click the symmetry again, right click, hide it. Okay, now I have the wing. I need to select different faces of the wing now. Okay, so this is the trailing edge. Select this trailing edge. Now again create the create NS name selection, and then name it wing trailing edge. it. Now I will select the wingtip, click on this wingtip, and then again click on this create name selection, and then name it wingtip. Click open a space and then click wingtip, right click and hide it again. Okay, now I have only the wing, upper surface and lower surface. So click the wing and again create name selection, name it as wing, click on open space, and then again click on this wing, right click, hide it. Okay, I have selected all the boundary faces. Now show all. Okay, now all the faces, all the boundary faces are named properly. You can see wing, wingtip, wingtailing, edge, symmetry, far field. Now it is ready for meshing, so you can save this file and you need to open the mesh file from here, right click here and then edit to create the mesh. Thank you. If you need how to create the mesh, I will create another video how to do the mesh. Thank you.